Okay, so this is a very, very small group, right? I've not really like pushed this and publicized, but what I am going to do is I'm going to try and put this together and see whether or not there's value in it. What I'm looking at doing is running the coaching that I do. I deliver 27,001 coaching, which is almost a unique approach to helping companies implement 27,001, right? So the traditional approach is a consultant will go in, and the consultant will do the bits of work, handhold them through the project, probably charge quite a lot of money, which is one of the other sessions that I'm going to be running, and get them through that certification. But one of the area that I think is missing is to help people understand what it is so that they can do it themselves. So I took the step of digitizing all of that and putting the majority of that on YouTube, and you've seen that. And if you've got my toolkit, you've got that implementation step. But there are a lot of businesses and benefit from a one-to-one walkthrough of that, a coaching step through of that. So for a couple of years, I've been doing this where it's a 6 to 8 step process. We walk people through it. We answer questions in real time as they have them. And then usually in the one-to-one coaching, there are some free sessions that the client can then take. The way that I've translated that is taking £5,000 of one-to-one consulting, and I'm looking for an implementer at dropping that in at around about £1,200. So it's going to drop the price and putting that into a structured rolling program. So what you should see is, from an implementer point of view, is there will be 6 sessions that we go through on a rotating basis, right? So it will be a repetition. So that means that anybody can jump in at any point. I'm going to record the session, so there'll be many versions of the same session as well, from different industries and different perspectives. But it means that if you were not able to make today's session and we were covering module 2, that's fine. You just look for the next module 2, go at your own pace and jump on. Or in the worst case, you can go and watch the tutorial video. What I'm looking at delivering as part of this implementer program are the Annex A workshops. So that is a Annex A Q&A, questions and answer. So what I get, again, a lot of questions around, oh, okay, I'm looking at implementing threat intelligence. Can I bounce some ideas? So if we can get people that have a commonality around that, you know, we can work through that together, see what King Samuel's doing, see what Pierce is doing, and get some commonality between you. You can understand from me what best practice is, but really workshop that and give you a route forward. And I'm looking at moving the clinics out of the toolkit, which they currently are, and into this program as well. So in real terms, you're going to get a rolling program of six individual sessions that walk you through it, that you can drop in at any point. You're going to get the Q&A clinics, and we're going to get the Annex A workshops. Now, whether or not that is of value to people or not, I don't know. I tend to get a lot of people that take things for free and then don't want to pay, but I'm going to run it through with you guys, get your feedback, see what your thoughts are, and then I'll make a decision at the end of May whether I just stick with one-to-one training or whether I open it up to the group.